If you own a window and door installation business, then this case study might interest you. So over the last 30 days of running this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 89 exclusive window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $80, which is in Canadian, which is equivalent to $59 USD. And we've spent $7,200. Now in this video, I'm gonna reveal the exact lead generation funnel behind those results for you. So for this campaign, we're just gonna break down some numbers. So over the last 30 days, our clients' lead to estimate ratio 32%. We got 28 estimates booked. Their estimate to sell ratio is 40%. That's 12 jobs booked, and the total sales was $87,600. And this means for every $1 that they're spending in advertising dollars, they're getting $12 out. Now, this is the ads we're running for this client of ours, which is we're running 3 different ads. One is a financing offer, 10 windows for $35 a month. The next one is a package of 5 windows is a bundle. So 5 windows for $4,400 a month. And the other one is 10 windows for $8,500 a month. Now, our offer is $0 down, $35 a month, 25% off entire order, free triple pane upgrade, and lifetime warranty. Now, one thing you got to understand is that the biggest factor of whether you're going to have a successful ad campaign or not is going to be your offer. And it's important that you come up with something unique, that's unique to your market, and so that you can stand out and get more leads. The other thing we like to do with our ads is we like to use a price first strategy. Means we're going to have some sort of a starting ad prices in the ads because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Next is going to be our targeting. Now for targeting, we keep it simple and we're going to let Meta do the heavy lifting. The only control we have here is going to be just targeting whatever the client's service area is. So the radius, example, 35-mile radius of any location, or we can even target by zip code, city. For age, we normally go after 33 to 64 plus because these are more likely homeowners who got the money. Male, female. And for placement, which means where we want to show the ads, is going to be on Facebook and Instagram feeds and reels. And we're going to only run them on mobile only because over 80% of the traffic comes from mobile. So we don't even bother with desktop. Now, the next step after we come up with the offer and the ad creatives is time to run the ads. Now, these ads are going to be shown to people who are more likely interested in window replacements. That's going to be done by Meta's, algorithm, knowing who's looking for what in the market. So once they see that, they're going to click, get quote. Then we're going to take them through our rigorous qualification process where we ask them, 4 to 7 pre-qualification questions to have the least pre-qualify themselves. So question number 1 would be type of home they live in, how many windows they want replaced, if they're interested in financing, what is the primary reason for replacing the windows, how soon they want this project done, city they live in, first name and email. And at the end, we're going to ask for the phone number. Now, once they submit, they put in their phone number and they hit get quote, they're going to come into our system as a new lead because we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook or Instagram, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are just going to put a wrong phone number, or some are just spam. So we don't want to assume that every lead that come in is legit. That's why we have this backend automation that's going to be running 24/7, which is going to send an SMS to every lead that comes in. That's going to sound something like this. Hey, first name is Kelly from XYZ Windows and Doors. Thanks for requesting a code for our $35 a month high efficiency window promotion, which includes triple pane upgrade, 25% off. Just reply yes to confirm this is the best number and we'll schedule your free estimate. Now the system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, it's going to automatically reply saying, hey, thanks for confirming. I'll call you shortly to go over your options. And that's it. So 2 things this does again is it's going to make sure that they've given us their correct phone number. So it's going to boost contact rates. And number 2, they're confirming that they're serious, that they actually want an estimate. Right after they reply with a yes, leads get delivered to our end clients instantly via SMS and email, so they can immediately get on a call and book that in-home estimate. And it's very important that you call the leads in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you don't get a reply back from the leads on the first SMS, that's not a problem, because we're going to have 4 more follow-ups that are going to go out. So the first one, the one we already went over, is that goes out 10 seconds after they become a lead. If they don't reply yes to that, you have another one going in 10 minutes, the next one in an hour, and the last follow-up in 4 hours. And then the last follow-up sounds something like, just wanted to check in one last time about our $35 a month window replacement offer, 25% off free triple win upgrade. If you'd like to get a free quote, feel free to reply yes anytime. Anytime during here where they reply with a yes, they're going to be sent over to our end clients as a pre-qualified lead. And the leads who've put, invalid phone number, they're replied, they're not interested, or they just opted out, they go down the trash. Our end clients never even going to see them. And that's it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door business and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I will leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me, a quick 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this system makes sense for your business. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.